Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello everyone. On this occasion, I would like to present to you all about how to reduce plastic waste in school. Okay, first I'm not gonna tell you the step by step first, but I'm gonna show you some fact about plastic waste in school. So imagine how much plastic waste is produced every day in our school. This figure may shock you. Per student, each student per year can produce at least 30 kilograms of plastic just from lunch during one school year. And imagine if in school there is 1,000 students, it can produce more than 13 tons of plastic waste from the canteen alone in a year. These figures show the scale of the problem we face. Every plastic bottle, every snack wrapper, and every small plastic spoon, fork, or straws contribute to this pile of waste. Okay, now the impact of single-use plastic on health and the environment. First, I'm gonna tell the hidden health threat or the impact to our health, or what are the hidden content in the plastic. First is styrene. Plastic contains chemicals such as styrene, which are potentially carcinogenic and can leach into hot or oily foods. And the second is microplastic. Microplastic fragments from packaging can enter our bodies through food and drink, potentially causing long-term health damage. And this only a little bit content hidden health threat from the plastic, and there is much more in there. And second is global environment disaster or the impact to our environment. The first is greenhouse gas emission. The production and disposal of plastic contribute to greenhouse gas emission that can make accelerating climate change. So when in the afternoon it can be more hotter, or maybe in the night it can be hot also, or it can be more cold, like that. These impacts are not just future issues, but are happening right now, that affecting us all. And next is the practical solution. The first step toward change is in our hands. By changing small habits, we can make a big impact. And a small habit or activity or something that we can use to reduce the plastic waste. First is to bring lunchbox and water bottles. Encourage the use of washable and reusable lunchbox and water bottle every day. This is the easiest way to start, because when we buy some food in the canteen, usually the seller will give us plastic plates, or I don't know in English how to say that, and it can and it's a plastic from the plastic, so it can be dangerous for all of us, and it can affected the food inside. And then next is replace plastic straws. Replace plastic straws with metal or bamboo straws, or even not at all. Small straws can bring big impact also. So for lunchbox, if we bring lunchbox, it's maybe to replace the plastic plate from the canteen, and for straws, it can replace plastic straws from the canteen also. But when we buy some drink, so usually if we buy drink that costs 1,000 maybe in the canteen, the seller will give us a plastic, and then also the plastic straws. And if you want to reduce the plastic waste, just bring your water bottle, like I said before, or if the sellers give you plastic straws, you can bring your own straws, but from metal or bamboo, or even not at all. And the last is eco-friendly tableware. Use metal or environmentally friendly cups and cutlery that can be washed again instead of disposable ones. So when like it's straws or in the lunch box, usually when we buy some food from canteen, the seller will give us also like spoon or fork, and it's from plastic also. So to reduce the plastic waste, you can use your own hand to eat the food, or you can bring your eco-friendly tableware like spoon or fork from the metal. And next is the role of teacher and student. The first is form an environment club. Establish an environment club or school commit to campaign for plastic reduction. Voice your creative ideas. So it's like if you want to make a big change in your school, you cannot do it by yourself. You can invite your friend or your teacher. And one of the tips or the step is to create environment club. That. And then next is plastic free lunch day. Hold a weekly plastic free lunch day and plastic waste collection competition between classes. A healthy competition for the planet. So maybe it's gonna be boring to collect plastic in a way, and to make it's fun, you can create a competition about plastic free plastic, or you can do a weekly plastic free lunch day, become the weekly activity. And next is creative project from waste. So if it's to invite your friend from the club, create a club, and this is for, to make it fun, you can create a competition, and this is to increase your creativity. But you can use plastic for increase your creativity. Use the collected plastic waste for creative projects such as planting, seeding in used container, or making craft. Every small action from each individual will create a large wave of change. And then next is the benefit of reducing plastic in school. First is cost saving. Reduce waste management cost by up to 36%. This fund can be redirected to improve learning facilities. So maybe in each school use their cost only for the plastic management. So if we do the activity that like I've told before, I can reduce the management cost. So the school can improve the facility in our school to improve our learning experience also. And then the next is student health. And in the previous slide, I already tell you about some hidden content in plastic, and it's dangerous to us. So protect student health from exposure to harmful chemical content in plastic. And the content is like, as I said before, like microplastic, and I forget the other one. And the next is the environmentally friendly generation. Form environmentally friendly habits that students take home and to the community, acting through agents of change. Okay, after you guys hear my presentation, like what we're gonna do, what we must do to reduce plastic waste, not just only hear that, but do it in your life. The first, you can start with a small step, like bring your eco-friendly tableware, or replace your plastic straw with metal straws and others. And after you do that, invite your friend, because if you want to make environment clean from the plastic, you cannot do it by yourself. So invite your teacher or your friend or your parent to join the plastic reduction movement. And you can do like I said before, that is from competition maybe, or you can make activity to improve your creativity from the plastic. And maybe the school can create a club for reduce the plastic waste. And if you already do that, you can create a big change, and together we can create a clean, healthy, and plastic-free school for a better future. Okay, before I close my presentation, there is some word from me. That is, every piece of plastic we throw away threatens our future. Okay, maybe that's all for my presentation, and if there are some mistakes, I do apologize. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.